Okay. Hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very, very much for joining me for this, I don't know what you would call it, vlog? I'm going to go with vlog. Blog. Do we even say vlog? Vlog. Happy little vlog. Thank you for being here. We are concluding season 3 of the acrylic art pour journey so far. And we've had a lot of fun. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for all of your comments and views, of course. Really appreciate you. And suggestions. They have been awesome too. They've actually helped out quite a lot. I have many seasons planned out, but we have to talk about the coming season. I will be taking a break from YouTube for a while. There's been certain changes that YouTube has done recently that have had an effect on content. You might have seen it, you might not. I was going to ramble on about what they did and explore and show you, but I have spoken to so many different people that some people are seeing it, some people aren't, and I've been able to see what they're seeing, and yeah, some people just aren't having the same experience. So some are though, more are than aren't. I'm not sure what YouTube's doing right now. They're obviously experimenting and enjoying what they're doing. It does look like they're trying to push more to be like TikTok. ByteDance, I think, is the actual company that runs TikTok. So yeah, look, I have to take a break. It's going to give the YouTube algorithm, or as we like to say it, the YouTube audience, a chance to catch up on my content. I had planned during my non-release period to deliver you one short each and every week of all the videos that have been previously done. So all the paintings that are previously done, but just in a 1 minute, quick montage. Anyway, yeah, just a quick 1 minute cut up, and I thought you would enjoy that. But that is also another problem. YouTube has not provided me with the tools where I can link my full form video to the short form video. Other countries have it. I'm here in Australia and I don't. So that's also made things difficult. So I didn't want to leave you in the lurch. It's been really hard for me to make this video. I've been actually pushing it back and back and back. I wanted to make sure I spoke to you as an audience and as friends, because I know a lot of you are actually my friends and have followed me through my content creation experience journey. I'm not stopping doing acrylic pouring. That's not happening. But I will be taking this time to create other videos for YouTube of the acrylic pouring, but I will hold them off on actually delivering them. So I'm going to be able to make a bit of a back catalogue. Season 4 has already been filmed, but I'm considering not releasing Season 4 as episodal. So Season 4, Episode 1, 2, 3. I think I might batch them into a few videos. So Season 4 might be only 5 videos. Might be shorter, might be longer. I'm not 100% sure. But what I am going to do after this is I'm going to upload this video, and I'm going to take a break. I've had a bit of a mental journey as well, and I've only just started with the whole YouTube thing, but the way YouTube has changed, it's caused issues. And I just need some time personally. As you know, we started Season 3 with a farewell to Freya. Freya was my little girl for 15 years. Her sister Mello and I have gotten into new routines, and I miss Freya a lot. I still think of her a lot, and for some of you that have been with this creative journey of mine, you know her. You might have even seen the original music videos here on this YouTube channel of her and her growth as a kitten. Yeah, she will be missed, but Mello and I are doing really well on that side of things. Just, makes you think. Anyway, I didn't want to bring down the mood. I'm sorry about that. But I did want to bring her up. I recorded Season 3. I recorded the first painting the first version of Pink Lightning 2 only the day after Freya had passed, and there's a lot cut out of that video. I wasn't doing well. I shouldn't have been making that video. In fact, if I remember correctly, I couldn't even sleep that night. I got something like 2 hours, 3 hours sleep, and was recording that at 5 in the morning. Wasn't a good situation for me mentally. And then I took a few days break, and I think it was only a couple of days break, and then I got to recording all of season 3 over the space of a few days. I batch these, and then I can then edit. It means that I don't have to spend 3 hours setting up, mixing up the paints. I can do a couple of days worth of that, mixing up the paints, setting up, and then just do massive recording, which has been time efficient for me, and then I can just do the editing later on. So for all of season 3, I was struggling. I mean, it was only a few days, not even within a week of Freya's passing. Then I had a week where I had already batched up a couple of videos, so I had a bit of a break for a week, and then I recorded season 4. I found it really hard to to edit the first 2 Pink Lightning videos together. It was highly emotional for me, and that also took a toll on me. I should have just taken a break, but I wanted to keep the schedule for you, the audience, for you, my friends. And I should have just walked away for a while. Again, sorry to bring down the mood. I think it's important that I give you an insight into who I am. And I miss her. I miss her a lot. And it was very hard to record the first episode of season. I'm sitting here picking my nails, like I'm just very nervous. It was really hard to record the first episode edit the first episode of season 3. It got a bit easier, but that video was in my timelines of videos recorded, and I was constantly reminded of Freya. More of her passing, like I'm happy to have memories of Freya, but just remembering she passed it's been hard, and I think season 3 and season 4 both remind me of that. Season 5 will come out 6, 8 months, 9 months since she'll have passed. So I will be a different me by then. Season 4 is going to cover most of what season 3's been like. I don't know if you've noticed the transition between season 2 and season 3, but there has been some editorial changes. I'm still messing around with things. I just want to give you the best experience you can, cut out the fluff where I can. There's a lot of fluff in this video. But season 5 will take a different process. It'll start off differently. You'll see my face at the start of the videos. We'll introduce the paints. We will paint, and then we'll do the flyover, and I'm going to restructure the way we do the conversation. I have a different idea of what I'd like to try, so we'll do that for season 5. And of course, the time lapse at the end, just so you can see how quickly it's made and what things I've actually cut out. Oh, and the signing. I really enjoy the signing. I like that as the end part of the video. I hope you do too. I think it's important to create symbols. No, that's not the word I'm looking for. Things we do inside a video that people go, okay, this is the structure. It lets you know what's going to happen. I don't know. I'm under the understanding that those sorts of processes are quite important. The symbolization. That's why we experimented with that in season 2. If you want to have a bit of a surprise, go watch how season 3 and season 2 were compared to each other, or season 1. I am going to turn this season into an actual playlist. It hasn't been its own playlist, but it will be after this video. I think that's all that I really wanted to cover. Thank you for it's hard to be genuine, you know, like on the internet, I could say anything. I could say, the sky outside my house is red. If I say it convincingly, you believe me. But I want to say thank you to you in such a way that you understand that I appreciate you and I'm grateful. You give me your time each and every week. And I appreciate that. So thank you. And just in time, hello. Hi. Oh, meow. Yeah, we're saying goodbye to everybody. Yeah, come on, good girl. Hi. Hello. Hello, Mello. Do you want to sit up on my arm for a minute? Well, that timing was awesome. So thank you. Thank you from me. Thank you from her. I hope you enjoyed the conversation pieces that I've made them a bit of a place to put in entertainment and a bit of humour. I'm hoping to do more of that. I enjoy just mucking around a little bit. So this is it for me for a bit. If you see my shorts, that sounds weird. If you see my short form video, then you'll know that YouTube has given me the tools to link to the main video. Otherwise, it might just be a main video you see, and it could be 6 months from now. We're coming up to the holiday season, and I'm going to take a bit of a holiday. So from me and Mello, thank you so much for watching. Remember, don't be awesome. You want to hop down for a second? Instead, be amazing. Be kind to others and default to kindness. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.